Namaskaram. Today we are at Liverpool Edgelyn Temple. The first Hindu temple was formed in the northwest of UK in 1957. And the Edgelyn Temple has been established since 1987. Today we are celebrating Srinivas Kalyanam. Families from different backgrounds come together, and it's a great celebration and a great way of getting the community together. This is how we all celebrate our culture together, and would like to pass it to our new generation who are growing up here so that they stay close to the culture. This is a very unique event and a grand celebration.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा सन्ध्या प्रवर्तते उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूला कर्तव्यं दैवमान्निकम् कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा सन्ध्या प्रवर्तते उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूला कर्तव्यं दैवमान्निकम् उत्तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वजा उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्ता त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु उत्तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वजा उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्ता त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु मातः समस्तजगतां मधुकैटभारेः पक्षा विहारिणि मनोहर दिव्यमूर्ते
శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద భక్తవత్సల గోవింద భాగవత ప్రియ గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద గోకుల నందన గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద నిత్య నిర్మల గోవింద నీలమేఘ శ్యామ గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద గోకుల నందన గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద పురాణ పురుష గోవింద పుండరీకాక్ష గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద గోకుల నందన గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద నందనందన గోవింద నవనీత చోర గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద గోకుల నందన గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద ಶಿಶುಪಾಲಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಪಾಪ ವಿಮೋಚನ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋವಿಂದ ಹರಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋಕುಲ ನಂದನ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ದುಷ್ಟ ಸಂಹಾರ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ದುರಿತ ನಿವಾರಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋವಿಂದ ಹರಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋಕುಲ ನಂದನ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಶಿಷ್ಟಪಾಲಕ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಕಷ್ಟ ನಿವಾರಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋವಿಂದ ಹರಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋಕುಲ ನಂದನ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ವಜ್ರ ಮಕುಟಧರ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ವರಾಹ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋವಿಂದ ಹರಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋಕುಲ ನಂದನ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಗೋಪಿಲೋಲ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋವರ್ಧನೋದ್ಧಾರ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋವಿಂದ ಹರಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಗೋಕುಲ ನಂದನ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋವಿಂದ.
மாலை சாற்றினாள் கோதை மாலை மாற்றினாள், மாலடைந்து மதிலரங்கன் மாலை அவர்தன் மார்பிலே, மாலடைந்து மதிலரங்கன் மாலை அவர்தன் மார்பிலே. மாலை சாற்றினாள் கோதை மாலை மாற்றினாள், மாலை சாற்றினாள் கோதை மாலை மாற்றினாள். மகநாதனை அங்க தங்கநேசனை, ரங்கராஜனை அங்க தங்கநேசனை, ஆசை கூறி பூசுரர்கள் பேசி மிக்க வாழ்த்திட, ஆசை கூறி பூசுரர்கள் பேசி மிக்க வாழ்த்திட, அன்புடன் இன்பமாய் ஆண்டாள் கரத்தினாள், அன்புடன் இன்பமாய் ஆண்டாள் கரத்தினாள். பூமாலை சாற்றினாள் கோதை மாலை மாற்றினாள், மாலை 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 மாற்றினாள் கோதை மாலை மாற்றினாள், மாலை சாற்றினாள் கோதை மாலை மாற்றினாள், மாலை சாற்றினாள் கோதை மாலை மாற்றினாள். மாலடைந்து மதிலரங்க மாலை அவர்தன் மார்பிலே, மாலடைந்து மதிலரங்க மாலை அவர்தன் மார்பிலே. மாலை சாற்றினாள் கோதை மாலை மாற்றினாள், 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 மாலை சாற்றினாள் கோதை மாலை மாற்றினாள்.
So we are now going to start with Ankurarpanam. Ankurarpanam is a ritual where you actually sow with seed. We have got mud and we have got some seeds, 5 navadanyas, So we are going to have 5 ladies who are going to contribute to this ritual where we are trying to say that this is the harvest season we want to.
ಸೀತಾ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ವೈಭೋಗಮೇ
So why we are doing the Kalyanam? So what is the purpose of doing Kalyanam? And in Tirumala, Swami will have Nitya Kalyanam. So every day he do Kalyanam. So is it for his benefit or for our benefit? So basically what is Kalyanam? So we are all nature. So Prakriti has to go and merge into Purusha. So who is Purusha? Our Lord Venkateshwara, Srinivasa, Balaji, whatever the name you call, the Bhagavan is the Purusha. So irrespective of gender or caste or creed, whatever we are, we all need to merge into Lord's Charanams, Lord's Pada. So we are getting some punya, and whatever the future, whatever the obstacles we are going to get or apada we are going to get in the future, so he will just get rid all those off and give the abhaya hastam to all of us in the form of this Kalyanam. So when we say Govinda, Kalau Venkatanayakaha, Venkata means whatever the obstacles we have, he will just instantly he will remove. But what we need to do is, we have to chant his name and surrender ourselves. So today we all will try to get the punya. Jai Govinda Nama Sankirtanam, Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. Bhaktis. Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnoho. Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnoho. Smaranam Padasevanam. Kirtanam Vandanam Dasyam. Sakhyam Atma Nivedanam. So all these 9 bhaktis, today we will perform, we will do the dance, we will do the singing, we will do the puja. So everything we will do today. And in our normal general life also, we will try to implement that. Yeah, everybody do the namaskara and repeat along with me. Kshema, Kshema, Dhairya, 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 Vijaya, Vijaya, Ayuho, Ayuho, Arogya, Arogya, Aishwarya, Aishwarya, Abhivruddhi, Abhivruddhi, Siddhyartham, Siddhyartham, Dharma, Dharma, Artha, Artha, Kama, Kama, Moksha, Moksha, Chaturvidha, Chaturvidha, Phala, Phala, Purushartha, Purushartha, Siddhyartham, Siddhyartham, Chintita, Chintita, Manoradha, Manoradha, Phala, Phala, Avapyartham, Avapyartham. Shri Srinivasa Swaminah, Shri Devi Bhudevi Sameta Shri Srinivasa Swaminah, Kalyana Mahotsavam, Anyonya Sahayena Chakya Mukhena Karayishye, Ado Nirvighena Prasamavapyartham, Vishwakshena Pujam Karishye, Om Kalasasya Mukhe Vishwak Kantha, Sagara Sarve Saptatvipa Sundara, Rukved Goye Yurvedo Samavedo Dharvana, Ayat Puja Tudraksheka, Shuddhodakena, Shuddhodakena Devam Atmanam, Om Sarvadevanam, Bhukoyam Pratigruhyatam, Om Shriman Mahaganathipataye Namaha, Pamadhrapayami. Mangalam Deepam Trayotya Divirapaham Bhaktya Deepam Prayishchami Devaya Paramatmane Trahimam Narakatvaradityatmokar Namostate Pratyaksha Deepam Sandasyami Gopadiparam Dharam Suddhachamaniyam Samarpayami Bhugibale Shigatpole Nagavalli Dalargam Bhuktan Unnasmayam Sambolam Pratipiccharam Tambolam Samarpayami Divyasri Mangala Nirajanam Shriman Mahaganathipataye Namaha, Divyasri Mangala Nirajanam Sarvasyaami, Nirajanam Brahmacharyamaniyam Samarpayami. समृद्धिरस्तु ओम सोमं लोकपालकमावाहयामि स्थापयामि पूजयामि यन्त्रग्रहमावाहयामि आदित्याय च सोमाय मंगलाय सपत्नी सहेतः ओम आवाहय सकलदेवताभ्यः आवाहयामि स्थापयामि धनुर्धराय विद्महे सर्वसिद्ध्यै च धीमहि श्री श्रीनिवास स्वामी आवाहयामि स्थापयामि पूजयामि महालक्ष्मी आवाहयामि ओम भूदेवी आवाहयामि स्थापयामि पूजयामि ओम रक्षाबंधन देवताभ्यः नमः नानाविधपरिमलवत् पुष्पाक्षतानि समर्पयामि इमे धूपं वनस्पत्युद्भवेत् दिव्येनागन्धयुक्तसंयुतम् आग्नेयं सर्वदेवानां धूपोऽयं प्रतिपुष्टिः नीराजनं शुद्धात्मनीयं समर्पयामि रक्षाबन्धनमुहूर्तकाले सूर्यादीनां नवानां ग्रहाणां अत्यंत अनुकूल्यता फलसिद्धिरस्तु ओम बृहस्पतिपुत्रं कृष्णभोजसुमुखवीरम् इन्द्रस्तोमेन पञ्चदशेन बृहस्पतिपुत्रं कृष्णभोजसुमुखवीरम् इन्द्रस्तोमेन पञ्चदशेन मत्स्यमितं वातेन सकरेण रक्षा रक्षाबंधन मुहूर्त सुमुहूर्त काले सूर्यादीनां नवानां ग्रहाणां मधुपर्क पूजां करिष्ये ओम मधुमान्दो वनस्पतिर्मधुभागम् अस्मृतोऽप्यः माद्वेर्गावो भवन्तु नः मधुपर्को मधुपर्कः ओम श्री श्रीनिवास स्वामिनः मधुपर्कं समर्पयामि माधवाय नमः ओम श्री वेंकटेशाय नमः ओम धन्याय नमः ओम महालक्ष्मी नमः ओम वसुधाय नमः ओम भूदेव्यै नमः
श्रीनिवास गोविंद श्री वेंकटेश गोविंद नित्य निर्मल गोविंद नीलमेघ श्याम गोविंद गोविंद हरि गोविंद गोकुल नंदन गोविंद श्रीनिवास गोविंद श्री वेंकटेश गोविंद श्रीनिवास गोविंद श्री वेंकटेश गोविंद
So that is also Kanyadanam time. The toppest dana is Kanyadana. So to our, we are offering our Lakshmi, our daughter, to Lakshmi Narayana.
గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద నందనందన గోవింద నవనీత చోర గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద గోకుల నందన గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద గోకుల నందన గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద
వసుధ గొలిచిన నీ పాదము కడగి వసుధ గొలిచిన నీ పాదము బలితల మోపిన పాదము
దుష్ట సంహార గోవింద దురిత
मांगल्य देवता विदोन मांगल्य देवता ब्रह्मः यायामि आवाहयामि आत्मसत्वं
శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద
शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते
శిష్టపాలక గోవింద కష్ట నివారణ గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద
శరదాం శతో
ఆనందమే పరమానందమానందమానందమే శ్రీరామ
పుణ్యలాభరసిద్ధిరస్తు
ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾನಕಿ ಮಣ ಮಗಳಾನಾಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾನಕಿ ಮಣ ಮಗಳಾನಾಡೆ வந்தவர்க்கும் பார்த்தவர்க்கும் ஆனந்தம் 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 ஆனந்தமே பரமானந்தம் ஆனந்தம் ஆனந்தமே ஆனந்தம் ஆனந்தம் ஆனந்தமே பரமானந்தம் ஆனந்தம் ஆனந்தமே பரமானந்தம் ஆனந்தம் ஆனந்தமே
గోపీలోల గోవింద గోవర్ధనోద్ధార గోవింద
తలంబ్రాల పెండ్లి కూతురు కొంత పెడమరలి నవ్విని పెండ్లి కూతురు పిడికిట తలంబ్రాల పెండ్లి కూతురు కొంత పెడమరలి నవ్విని పెండ్లి కూతురు పేరుగల జవరాలే పెండ్లి కూతురు పెద్ద పేరుల వజ్రాల మెడ పెండ్లి కూతురు పేరుగల జవరాలే పెండ్లి కూతురు పెద్ద పేరంటాళ్ళ నడిగి పెండ్లి కూతురు పేరు గుర్త సిగ్గుపడి పెండ్లి కూతురు పిడికిట తలంబ్రాల
మధుసూదన హరి గోవింద మహిమ స్వరూప గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద గోకుల నందన గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద వేణుగాన ప్రియ గోవింద వెంకటరమణ గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద గోకుల నందన గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద సీతానాయక గోవింద శ్రిత పరిపాలక గోవింద గోవింద హరి గోవింద గోకుల నందన గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద అనాథ గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద శ్రీనివాస గోవింద శ్రీ వెంకటేశ గోవింద.
Hi, we are speaking to Shiv Pandey uncle, who was one of the core founding members of this group. Let's listen to his story, how he was able to bring the Murtis from Tirumala.
Thank you very much. I was the secretary of the Hindu Cultural Organization from 77 to 87. And each time we went to India, we went to Tirupati Devasthanam because my father was a strong devotee. So while I was there in 82, I asked the Devasthanam trustees to donate idols of Sri Devi, Bhudevi, and Lord Balaji. So they agreed. So after next time when we went in '84, we took 3 taxis and put the 3 idols on the back of the taxis and came to Chennai, previously known as Madras. One of my family friends, he took the duty responsibility of sending them to Liverpool. So we got it in '86. I had finished it, about to finish in '87, and at that time, the changeover of the new secretary was there, and the sadly boxes were lying for 3-4 years. So we told them that this is not an auspicious sign, and we should install the murtis. So we did it in about '91, '92. We were 3-4 friends. Sadly, we lost one friend, Dr. Ajit Kumar. Then Ajit Kumar, we lost him later on. And so when we installed, we started doing the puja last Sunday of every month. And that we started in '93, '94.
Yeah, that we're still following now.
So you are following it. You are following in a much better way, and I'm very happy and delighted that the younger generation is doing in a much positive way, much bigger way, and much better way.
It's all because of the blessings that we had from the elders. Thank you.
No, thank you very much. It is very kind of you to think about it. But I didn't do that. It was the Lord Balaji who wanted to come to Liverpool, and I was just the mean to bring the Lord Balaji to this temple in Liverpool.
That's true. We're enjoying the fruits today.
Thank you.
Thank
very
you. Thank you
much.
very much. So now we are going to speak to another core founding member for this group, Mr. Vishnu Joshi. Let's ask him about something interesting. What he feels about this group. Yeah. You can-
I was excited because I'm a late comer actually, because the founding priests were Vasudev Rao and Ajit. Unfortunately, Ajit Kumar passed away a few years ago. Then I joined, and I was born and brought up near Udupi, Krishna temple. So in a Madhva tradition, sort of, although I'm not Madhvaite, but so I was passionate about Hinduism those days. And that time, the political situation in India wasn't good. It was too much secular, too much left-wing, and religious practice were not allowed by that government, because it was more secular and left-orientated. So when I came here, it was something like a new home for me. I could do whatever I want, I learned Vedic studies back in India at the age of 4 and continued until 14 years until I learned Rigveda, Upanishads and all other Vedangas, Upavedas. Then, of course, here, group was made by the founding fathers like Dr. Shiv Pandey, that's number 1, then Vasudev Rao, number 2, then Ajit Kumar, 3. Basically, we were 3 people. Later on, I joined them, and we continued ever after that for nearly, I think, up until today. And we got talented young members. New group is very good, and I'm very impressed with their work. What I found is new group knows more than older group know. They're really good. They're doing a very good job, and I'm very extremely pleased with the work they do. And there are many talented people in the new group. And although I'm a core member, my contribution virtually nothing. And I just as a silent member.
He still comes. Even this day he comes.
I come because I'm passionate about Hindu Dharma, Sanatana Dharma.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Congratulations, Yuvraj, Shobhanji, and Prasad. What a wonderful event today, and it was a pleasure to be part of this event. And I would like to know more about this event. Does this happen annually? And how did you manage to put this amazing event together? Do you have volunteers? How does this work?
So yes, this is a program that has been run annually, once a year. It is Kalyanam means 2 meanings, means peace as well as marriage. So every once in a while, these sort of programs are conducted to stimulate the Hindu community to come together to share some divine experience. So this is what, once a year we do this. We rely purely on volunteers, and volunteers who give their time and effort and expertise, and everybody contributes without any expectation of any reward.
Just adding whatever Shobhan has explained, it's completely runs on volunteers. Volunteers come from different genre. There are like teachers, doctors, engineers, and everybody. But they take time to run this event. This event takes happens from at least mostly from 6 months. We have a regular meetings, just a month meeting. But coming towards 1 month, every Saturday we have a meeting. We go through all the sections of this event. There are like cultural section, food, and getting the idols, priest. There are like 21 sections. So when we go for a meeting, it approximately goes for 2 to 3 hours. We just go, everybody, whoever is in the part of this voluntary, they know everything what's happening. So that is where we are maintaining. So as you all know that we got this group from last 2 years. We are running this group as a junior committee is running this Balaji group. But just to add over there, this group is running from 30 plus years in this temple. And every last Sunday, every year, the same event. We are not doing something different, but it's the same thing, same event, same thing, but different people. But it's preparing the next generation. That is what we are doing. And we are blessed to be the part of it.
And how long have you been involved with this temple, Yuva?
Temple, I've been as a student long time. I come and go for Tuesdays, and we are used to come on Tuesdays and Sundays or some festivals. But with this group, I've got involved because I used to come to this puja from maybe 10 years back because of my wife. Our uncle used to do the puja, so I used to be a backbencher. So I'm just changing whatever it is different at that time. I'm just changing those things, involving more people, and we are more kind of digital because people used to meet in their homes for all these things. But now we just do Teams meeting as the technology passes. So that's part of my involvement here.
Great, thank you so much. Prasad, how long have you been involved with the temple activities and part of the team?
Yeah, for me it's interesting because I've been here for last 2 years. I used to live in a different part of this country, so it's a bit new for me, but I thoroughly enjoy being here because where I was earlier, I didn't have this community, I didn't have this temple environment, so I'm really happy to be here. Just also to contextualize today, so we had around 300 plus devotees joining us today. So, and every year we try to improvise. This year, as you can see, there's a cultural happening. We didn't have this last year, so we learn from every year. We try to improvise. We reorganize. We move our roles. Last year I was taking care of front desk. We move our roles. Everybody gets a say, and everybody brings their own flavor. This time, as you can see, the mandap was done by someone else. They got their own flavor. So it's really working well as a group, I would say, from our side.
Brilliant.
There are ups and downs always, but together we are one group.
I know, that's brilliant. You guys done a brilliant job, and thank you so much for inviting us as well here. We really had a good time, and this is a nice way.
And hope this, Vaishali, this will be our journey, starting of our journey, and more videos we do together.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you for covering
Thank
this.
you, no problem. So as we have seen how the community works together, a lot of volunteers, a lot of effort goes in. And in a foreign country, I think we need something like this. This is so important, connecting the community, getting the community together and involving the kids. So this is how we can pass on our culture for them to carry on, stay connected with the culture and the home, even when you're away. Thank you.
Srinivasa Govinda, Sri Venkatesha Govinda, Srinivasa Govinda, Sri Venkatesha Govinda, Bhaktavatsala Govinda, Bhagavata Priya Govinda, Govinda Hari Govinda,